In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Xbox game bar not recording issue on Windows 11, even if it's already installed but not working or doesn't appear under your regular app. Let's jump right in. Sometimes Xbox game bar doesn't show up under your normal apps like list because it's treated as a system component. Here's how to find it. You need to go to settings, then click apps, then select installed apps. Choose system components. Now scroll down until you find Xbox game bar. If it's there, great. Move on to the next step. Once you have located Xbox game bar, click on it and select advanced option, then click repair. If that doesn't solve the issue, click reset and restart your computer afterwards. This simple step often fixes problems where the game bar won't launch or record. Next, make sure the game bar is actually enabled. Go to settings, click gaming, select Xbox game bar. Now turn on the toggle that says open Xbox game bar using this button on a controller. You can also launch it manually using the shortcut window plus G. Now let's make sure recording options are properly configured. Go back to settings, select gaming, then click captures. Ensure these options are enabled, record what happens and audio when recording. These settings ensure your gameplay and sound are capturing correctly. Outdated graphic drivers can also cause game bar recording failures. To fix this, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapter, right-click your GPU and choose Update Driver. Alternatively, visit the official site for Intel, AMD or NVIDIA and download the latest drivers for your graphic card. And that is it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.